Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for quartiles. So for each of the following set of data, calculate the lower quartile. So this is Q1, median is Q2, quartile 2, and upper quartile is Q3. In each case, calculate the interquartile range. So interquartile range. This is equal to quartile 3 upper quartile minus by quartile 1. So to find out the quartile, we need to rearrange from the smallest to highest. So it need to be in order. So let us write first number. So the smallest is 44. So you write 44 here first. After 44 we got 46, 48, and then 55, 56, 55, and 56. Then we got 63 twice, 63, 63, and then we got 67. Okay, let's start with A first. So this quartile 1 or lower quartile is 1 over 4, and the total of the number, how many number are there, plus by 1. This quartile 1 or lower quartile. Quartile 2 or median, so 1 over 2 and plus 1. So this quartile 2 or median. Now is quartile 3 or upper quartile. So 3 over 4 and plus 1. Okay, and the last interquartile range is Q3 minus by Q1. So let's start with A. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Q1 is 1 over 4. 8 plus 1 is 9. So this 9 we divided by 4. So the position is 2.25. So 1, 2, around here. So just find the mean, which is 46 plus by 48, and we divided by 2. So the Q1 equal to 47. Next, the median. So 1 over 2, this is 9 again. So 9 we divide by 2, 4.5. Where is 4.5? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here. So find the mean. 55 plus 56, we divide by 2. So the median or quartile 2, this is equal 55.5. Let me mark. Also, we mark. Next, upper quartile. Q3. So 3 over 4, 9. So this is 2.25. So 2.25 times by 3 is 6.75. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here. So we got 63 plus 63, and we divide by 2. So the quartile 3 or upper quartile is 63. So the interquartile range Q3, which is 63, minus by 47. So interquartile range is 16. Okay, B, let us rearrange from the smallest. We got 3 and 3. So let's write 3, 3. Okay, next, what we got? We got 8. After 8, okay, smallest here, 14. 14, we got 2, 15. After 15, we got 2, 17. After 2, 17, we got 2, 18. So let's count how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. So let's move it. Okay, this is B. So Q3 equal to 1 over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 11. So we need to find 11 divided by 4 is 2.75. So where is 2.75? So we got 1, 2, here. So find the mean. 3 plus 8 and we divide by 2. So 3 plus 8 we divide by 2. So this mean is 5.5. Yeah, this is quartile 1. Now quartile 2 or median. So 1 over 2 times 11, which is 5.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So the Q2 is 15 plus 15 divided by 2. So this is going to be 15, the quartile 2. Now quartile 3, 3 over 4 with 11. So we got 2.75 times 3. Sorry, 2.75 we multiply it by 3, so this is 8.25. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 here. So 17 plus 18 we divide by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here. This, so it's gonna be 17.5. So the interquartile range is 17.5 minus by, let me mark, 17.5 minus by 5.5. So this 17.5 minus 5.5. So the interquartile is gonna be 12. Next here we can rearrange again from the smallest 0.7 here 0.4, 0.7, 0.8, 1.3, 1.4 and 2.3. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number. So 6. See, so Q1 1 over 4, 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 we divided by 4 is 1.75. So here, so 0.4 this by 0.7 we divided by 2. So 0.4 plus by 0.7 and we divide by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So this the mean of 0.4 plus 0 with 0.7 is 0.55. Now quartile 2, 1 over 2 times 7. So we got 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. So 1, 2, 3 are here. So you got 0.8 plus 1.3 we divide by 2. 0.8 plus by 1.3 then divide by 2. So this quartile is 1.05. Now it's quartile 3. 3 over 4 times 7. So we got 1.75 times 3. So this is 5.25 position. So count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So find the mean 1.4 plus 2.3 divided by 2. So 1.4 plus 2.3 and divide by 2. So this upper quartile is going to be 1.85. So interquartile range Q3 is 1.85 minus by 0.55. So it's going to be 1.3. Next, D. Let's find D. So from 0, 0, okay, count it, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 times, and then 5, 3 times. Okay, let's count how many number are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 16. So Q1 is 1 over 4 times 16 plus 1, which is 17. So we can find 17 divided by 4 is 4.25. Let's find it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here the mean is 1. Okay, so Q1 is 1. Next, quartile 2. So 1 over 2 times 17. So 17 we divide by 2 is 8.5. Where is 8.5? Count it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Between here. So the mean of 2 and 3 is, so Q2 is 2.5. Next, quartile 3 or our quartile. So 3 over 4 times 17. So 4.25 times 3. So this is 12.75. So quartile 3, we count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here, 4. So the quartile 3 equal to 4. So interquartile range is 4 minus by 1. So this equal to 3. There it is. Thank you.